Monitoring Aws Amplify Lambda functions is crucial to ensure they are running smoothly and efficiently. To start, you need to understand what Aws Amplify and Lambda functions are. Aws Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications, while Lambda functions are serverless compute services that run your code in response to events. To monitor your Lambda functions, you need to set up Amazon CloudWatch, a service that provides real-time monitoring and logging capabilities. First, navigate to the AWS Management Console and select the CloudWatch service. Then, click on Metrics and select the Lambda function you want to monitor. You can view metrics such as invocation count, error rate, and latency. Next, you need to set up logging for your Lambda function. You can do this by clicking on the Monitoring tab in your Lambda function configuration and selecting the log group you want to use. This will allow you to view logs for your Lambda function in CloudWatch. Another important aspect of monitoring is setting up alarms. Alarms allow you to take action when a metric exceeds a certain threshold. For example, you can set up an alarm to notify you when the error rate for your Lambda function exceeds a certain percentage. To set up an alarm, click on the Alarms tab in CloudWatch and select the metric you want to alarm on. In addition to CloudWatch, you can also use AWS X-Ray to monitor your Lambda functions. X-Ray provides detailed information about the performance of your application, including latency and error rates. To use X-Ray, you need to install the X-Ray SDK in your Lambda function and configure it to send data to X-Ray. Best practices for monitoring Aws Amplify Lambda functions include setting up logging and monitoring for all your Lambda functions, using alarms to take action when metrics exceed thresholds, and using X-Ray to get detailed information about the performance of your application. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure your Lambda functions are running smoothly and efficiently, and take action when issues arise.